Hello students, it is time of English period. Are you ready for this? Okay. Students, during the vacation period, you like to go to your relatives like uncle and aunties such as mama, mami, atya, maushi, kaki, etc. You enjoy there very much. To do such a lot of fun and enjoyment, you always wait for the next vacation period. Here, in our next lesson, a letter from Hingoli, Raman is also gone to his relative Sanju Mama. He enjoyed that vacation period. For Raman, those enjoyments are unforgettable. Unforgettable, अविस्मरणीय, विसरता न येण्यासारख्या. He is telling to his Sanju Mama about those enjoyments with the help of this letter. Title of our lesson 1.4 is A Letter from Hingoli. There are many means of communication. Means of communication, संवाद करण्याची साधने, दळणवळणाची साधने. टेलिव्हिजन, मोबाईल, न्यूजपेपर, post, etc. are means of communication. Raman chose letter writing to communicate to his Sanju Mama. Okay, let's read this letter first. Hingoli, the 9th of June 2015. My dear Sanju Mama, I have reached Hingoli. How wonderful were the days we spent at Sagroli. Unforgettable moments. This summer vacation has added so many colorful memories to my life. Sanju Mama, I really miss Sagroli. At Sagroli, I enjoyed swimming in the Manjra river, playing with Tejas and Avdut on its banks and going on long walks through the Balaghat hills. Riding a buffalo on the way back home, I felt like the king of Sagroli. That lunch, wow! Amras with kurdai, papdya and kanda bhaji. Mira Mami is a great cook, a master chef. Ajit's Srikhandavadi is incomparable. How I enjoyed reading the bound volumes of Kishore, Champak and Kumar in Kaka Ajoba's library. I am looking forward to my visit to Sagroli next year. Give my regards to Aji, Ajoba, Raju Mama, Shaila Mami, Mira Mami, and love and best wishes to Tejas and Avdut. Yours lovingly, Raman. P.S. I am sending 2 postal stamps for Tejas and a matchbox cover for Avdut for their collections. Okay. Students, tell me who wrote this letter? Yes, Raman wrote this letter. And when? Okay, the 9th of June 2015. From where letter was written? Yes, from Hingoli. Students, there are many parts of letter writing. This is part of address and date. Where is Hingoli situated? Hingoli is situated at the northern part of Marathwada. The letter is written by Raman from Hingoli to his Sanju Mama. Next, my dear Sanju Mama. This is part of salutation while writing letter. I have reached Hingoli. How wonderful were the days we spent at Sagroli. It means Raman was gone to Sagroli. Then Where is Sagroli located? Sagroli is a large village located in Biloli Taluka of Nanded district. Unforgettable moments. अविस्मरणीय क्षण. Students, this is exclamatory sentence. उद्गारवाचक वाक्य. And this is exclamation mark. उद्गारवाचक चिन्ह. मनातील भावभावना व्यक्त करणाऱ्या उद्गारवाचक शब्दाच्या किंवा वाक्याच्या शेवटी एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क दिले जाते. ओके. This summer vacation has added so many colorful memories to my life. Sanju Mama, I really miss Sagroli. Memories, आठवणी. या समर वेकेशनमधील रंगीबेरंगी आठवणींमुळे रमन सग्रोली गावाला मिस करत आहे. This first paragraph is introduction part of letter. Okay, next. Through this letter, Raman tells us that he enjoyed swimming in the Manjra river, playing with Tejas and Avdut on its banks, and going on long walks through the Balaghat hills, as well as riding a buffalo on the way back home. He felt like the king of Sagroli. He added so many memories in this letter. He said that lunch, wow, amras with kurdai, papda and kanda bhaji, wow, what mouth-watering dishes. For this, he admires his Mira Mami. Admire, kautuk karne. He admires she is a great cook, a master chef. He also thanks to Aji for Srikhand Vadi. It is incomparable for him. Incomparable, अतुलनीय, इतर कशाशीच तुलना होणार नाही अशी श्रीखंड वडी त्याची आजी बनवायची. He also enjoyed reading the bound volumes of Kishore, Champak and Kumar in काका आजोबाज लायब्ररी. लायब्ररी, ग्रंथालय. त्याने काका आजोबांच्या ग्रंथालयातील या पुस्तकांच्या विविध खंडांचे भागांचे वाचन देखील केले. Now he is looking forward to his visit to Sagroli next year. आता पहा, इतकी मौज मजा करायला मिळत असेल तर तो सग्रोलीला पुन्हा विजिट करण्याची संधी शोधणारच ना. तुम्हाला सुद्धा आवडते की नाही तुमच्या मामा, मावशी, काका किंवा आत्या यांच्या गावी जाऊन अशी मौज मजा करायला? ओके. In these 2 paragraphs there is given content of the letter. At the end of this letter, which is conclusion part of letter writing, he gives his regards to Aji, Ajoba, Raju Mama, Shaila Mami and Mira Mami. He gives love and best wishes to Tejas and Avdut. At last, complimentary close and signature of letter. Yours lovingly, Raman. Yours lovingly is complimentary close part of this letter. Okay. Next. At last, PS is written by Raman. PS means postscript. ताजा कलम. तर PS केव्हा लिहितात? तर एखाद्याला पत्र लिहून पूर्ण केले, आता ते पोस्ट करायचे आहे, तेवढ्यात लिहायचा राहिलेला एखादा मुद्दा आठवला किंवा एखादी घटना घडली आणि ती पत्रात लिहावीशी वाटली तर पत्राच्या तळाशी PS लिहून ती लिहिली जाते. ओके. हिअर PS इज I am sending 2 postal stamps for Tejas and a matchbox cover for Avdut for their collections. Students, I hope you have understood this letter very well. We will take information about solving exercise in the next videos. Thank you. Bye.